Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Pixel Gun 3D game on your device. And after you complete the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, if you wish to change your language, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on the language menu, which is the fifth option at the top section. Once you tap on this, you will see the various different languages that are available for this game. Just tap on whichever language you prefer, and it will be applied to your game right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want by tapping on the gear icon and then choosing the fifth option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.